Prime Minister Ahmed Davutoglu. Ladies and gentlemen, we were very happy to welcome Prime Minister Davutoglu recently in Pakistan, and his visit, of course, has strengthened the bonds of friendship between Turkey and Pakistan, and I believe that these relations will continue to strengthen in the future as well. And I personally think that these visits, exchange of visits, of course, is very essential for both Pakistan and Turkey to have a joint policy on international issues. So today we had the opportunity of discussing certain issues, including bilateral issues, as well as the issue of Yemen, on which the Prime Minister also expressed his opinion. And I am pleased to visit Ankara to meet the Turkish leadership today and discuss the important issue of our common concern. I am grateful to President Erdogan and Prime Minister Davutoglu for accepting my visit at short notice, which reflects the close ties that our two countries enjoy. The security situation in Yemen has been deteriorating. We are concerned at the overthrow of the legitimate government in Yemen by use of force by non-state actors. The situation is grave and might endanger unity of the Muslim Ummah. It has, moreover, implications for the whole region. As many of you would be aware, I had a telephonic conversation with President Recep Tayyip Erdogan on 31st March 2015, just a few days ago, and we agreed to hold bilateral discussion to address the Yemen issue. In my meeting with my brother Turkish Prime Minister today, we both agreed that the current crisis in Yemen could plunge the region into turmoil. We agreed to call upon the warring factions in Yemen to resolve the differences peacefully. We also agreed to work together in our common resolve to promote a peaceful resolution of the current crisis in Yemen. For both Pakistan and Turkey, Saudi Arabia is a close friend. Our two countries agreed that we will stand by Saudi Arabia in its hour of need. We agreed to extend all possible support in the defense of Saudi Arabia's sovereignty and territorial integrity. We also have close and brotherly relations with other Islamic countries in the region and attach great importance to their security and territorial integrity. And to this end, Pakistan would stay engaged with Saudi leadership and those of other Muslim countries in the region. Thank you.